Once, Shiba Inu was dismissed as just another meme coin, a playful offshoot of Dogecoin, driven by hype and internet jokes. It was easy to laugh it off as a passing fad, a digital token with no real purpose beyond fueling online banter and speculative trading. But as the crypto world evolved, so did Shiba Inu's ambitions. But that's no longer the whole story. The narrative has shifted, and what was once a punchline is now being taken seriously by investors and developers alike. The recent surge in SHIB's value isn't just another social media craze, it's the result of real changes beneath the surface. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team has been working to give SHIB a foundation that goes far beyond viral tweets and internet memes. Developers have quietly built an entire ecosystem around SHIB, transforming it from a speculative token into a digital asset with real-world utility. This includes decentralized exchanges, NFT platforms, and even plans for gaming and metaverse integration. Imagine a small town that started with a quirky statue, but now has roads, shops, and homes, a place where people actually live and work. What began as a joke is now a growing community with its own infrastructure and purpose. That's what's happening with Shiba Inu. The meme was just the beginning. The project is evolving and its community is expanding rapidly, drawing in new talent and fresh ideas. Now, with its own blockchain network and digital identity projects, SHIB is becoming the infrastructure for a digital city. These innovations are laying the groundwork for a future where SHIB is more than just a token, it's a platform. This shift from speculation to utility is what every serious crypto project aims for, and Shiba Inu is making real progress. The focus is now on building tools and services that people can actually use, not just on price speculation. The big question, is this transformation sustainable, or just clever marketing? Can SHIB maintain its momentum and deliver on its promises, or will it fade away like so many other projects? Evidence points to genuine effort, significant technical upgrades, a clear vision, and a focus on lasting value. The team is investing in technology, security, and partnerships to ensure SHIB's long-term relevance. SHIB is no longer just about hoping for a price pump. It's about building something that can stand the test of time in the fast-moving world of crypto. It's about creating an environment where the token is used every day, a crucial step for mass adoption. Real-world transactions, partnerships, and community-driven projects are starting to take shape. The SHIB Army's passion is now matched by real development. Their energy is fueling innovation, and their support is helping to turn ideas into reality. The project's future depends on whether it can keep building on this momentum. Sustained growth will require ongoing innovation, transparency, and a commitment to delivering value. For now, Shiba Inu is proving it's more than just a meme. It's showing the world that even the most unlikely projects can evolve into something meaningful. The playful puppy is growing up, and it's worth paying attention. As Shiba Inu matures, its journey is becoming one of the most fascinating stories in the crypto space. At the core of Shiba Inu's evolution is Shibarium, a Layer 2 network built to solve Ethereum's congestion and high fees. This innovative solution was designed to address the growing pains of the crypto world, where slow speeds and expensive transactions have long been a barrier to mainstream adoption. Think of Ethereum as a jammed single-lane highway. Shibarium is the expressway running alongside, making transactions faster and cheaper. By providing a smoother route, it allows users to bypass the gridlock and experience seamless, efficient transfers. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a game changer. Shibarium represents a leap forward, empowering the SHIB community with new possibilities and greater control over their assets. Shibarium processes transactions separately, then reports them back to Ethereum, slashing costs and boosting speed. This dual-layer approach means users can enjoy the security of Ethereum while benefiting from Shibarium's efficiency. Now, decentralized apps, games, and metaverse projects can thrive on SHIB's own infrastructure. Developers are empowered to build creative solutions without being held back by technical bottlenecks. Since launch, Shibarium has processed millions of transactions, demonstrating its capacity to handle real-world demand and scale as the ecosystem grows, and created tens of thousands of new blocks daily. This rapid block creation is a testament to the network's robust performance and reliability. This isn't theory, it's real, active usage. Every day, more users and projects are joining the network, fueling its momentum. Shibarium gives SHIB independence from Ethereum's limitations and opens the door for a vibrant ecosystem. It's a foundation for innovation, collaboration, and growth. Without it, SHIB would remain a meme. With it, SHIB has a technical backbone for real growth. The project is evolving from a playful token into a serious contender in the blockchain space. The network's success is attracting developers and users, laying the foundation for the future. Partnerships and collaborations are flourishing as confidence in the platform grows. Shibarium is the single most important step in SHIB's journey from meme to utility. It marks a turning point, setting the stage for what's next. It's a bold move toward lasting relevance in the crypto world, and the beginning of a new chapter for Shiba Inu's ambitious community. Shiba Inu's new strategy centers on deflation, reducing its massive token supply to boost value. The solution, a burn mechanism tied directly to Shibarium's activity. Every time users pay transaction fees, a portion is converted to SHIB and burned, permanently removing tokens from circulation. The more Shibarium is used, the more SHIB is burned, creating a cycle of increasing scarcity. Billions of tokens have already been burned, and the rate is accelerating. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a fundamental shift in SHIB's economic model. For investors, this means a real, data-driven reason for optimism. Even if demand stays steady, a shrinking supply could drive prices higher. SHIB is evolving from a speculative asset to a deflationary one, rewarding long-term holders. The burn mechanism is transforming SHIB into a more compelling utility-driven token. The Dositaquan Sobin Soberban, Perdoan Suntan, Onrapan Estakran so that Notre One SHIB rally was pure speculation, fueled by hype, FOMO, and viral trends. Today's rally is different. It's built on real progress, not just hope. The conversation has shifted from when moon to transaction volume, burn rates, and ecosystem growth. On-chain data shows millions of daily transactions on Shibarium, evidence of real utility. SHIB is now being used, not just traded. The project's focus has moved from being a Dogecoin killer to building a robust ecosystem. New products like SHIB names and the Treat token show a commitment to solving real problems. This attracts more serious investors and signals a maturing project. The current growth is like building a skyscraper, slow, steady, and designed to last. SHIB's foundation is stronger than ever. This time it's about substance, not just spectacle. In crypto, whales are big investors whose moves can sway the market. Recently, SHIB whales have become active, not selling but repositioning and accumulating. Large transactions, often over $100,000, have surged, signaling renewed confidence from major players. Unlike past cycles, this isn't just profit-taking, it's strategic accumulation on price dips. These investors see long-term potential in SHIB's evolving ecosystem. Whale activity brings risks, but it's also a powerful vote of confidence in Shibarium and the project's direction. Their actions suggest SHIB's transformation is convincing even the biggest players. While no one should blindly follow whales, their moves are a key signal. SHIB's story is now attracting both retail and institutional attention. Despite recent progress, SHIB still faces some very real challenges. Its token supply remains enormous. Even with burning mechanisms in place, reducing it meaningfully will take significant time and massive, sustained usage. Volatility is high. Prices can swing wildly with shifting market sentiment. Whale concentration poses centralization risks. Large holders could crash the price if they decide to sell. True decentralization is still very much a work in progress. Most importantly, Shibarium's success depends on attracting both developers and users. SHIB is now competing with many other blockchains for attention, resources, and talent. Without a thriving ecosystem, all the infrastructure could ultimately end up unused. In the fast-paced world of crypto, survival means adapting to constant change, and Shiba Inu has done just that, evolving in ways few expected. What began as a playful meme has transformed into a serious project, thanks to innovations like Shibarium and the burn mechanism, which have fundamentally changed its trajectory. SHIB's value is now anchored to real, measurable metrics, transactions, token burns, and the overall growth of its expanding ecosystem. It's no longer just a speculative bet on hype, but a wager on the success and adoption of a new blockchain platform with real-world utility. Of course, challenges remain: massive supply, price volatility, the influence of whales, and fierce competition from other projects all pose significant hurdles. Yet SHIB has laid a strong foundation and attracted renewed interest from both retail traders and major institutional investors, signaling growing confidence. The project's transformation is now being taken seriously by the broader market, with analysts and investors watching closely. Is SHIB destined to become the next crypto king? Only time will tell, as the landscape continues to shift. What's clear is that it's earned its place as a legitimate contender in the ever-evolving crypto space. The journey from meme to movement, and now to a functional, thriving economy, is well underway, with the community driving innovation. We'll keep watching as this exciting new chapter in Shiba Inu's story continues to unfold.